Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hey everyone, it's Jessica here, and let me be the first to invite you to join me on a spectacular beach walk tour in Marbell, Spain. Marbell is a playground for the rich and famous, and I hope you'll join me so I can show you why. Take in the breathtaking sunsets, turquoise waters, and in between a wide variety of activities to keep you entertained from snorkeling, kayaking, and sailing, to exploring hidden coves and majestic castles on the cliffs. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or this is your first experience, Marbell is the perfect destination. So grab your camera, put on your walking shoes, and let's go. Along the way, I'll be pointing out some of the best eateries, cafes, and shops to explore. We'll be passing by picturesque beaches and snapping pictures of the stunning architecture, with plenty of opportunities to simply stop and absorb the beauty. And of course, I'll be providing tips and insight into the most interesting places to make sure you don't miss a thing. I hope you're excited to join me on this unforgettable walk. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like and leave a comment. We would really appreciate it. If you'd like to see more of these amazing destinations, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell. I can't wait to bring you to the best travel destinations around the world. Let's explore together.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you in the next one. Bye.